What's up, y'all? It's CJ Moto and Augie Moto. Say hi, Augie. Anyhow, I just want to talk to you a little bit about keeping your bodies looking fresh and making them last longer. So let's go check that out. Hope you're back. Anyhow, I just wanted to talk about RC car bodies a little bit. I wanted to tell y'all how I make mine last. It's taken me a while to figure this out, but number one, on the buggy body for your EBs, I never drill holes for the bodies because that's always where they crack out in those body holes, so I never drill those. And then on the inside, I just put Velcro, and then I put Velcro corresponding on the frame over here if this was my buggy. And so that Velcro holds fine. I've never had any issues. And then I take this drywall tape, and what I'll do is I'll take like a little square about that size, and then I'll put the squares, after the bodies are freshly painted, I'll put the little squares all over the place, all throughout here. I'll use a whole bunch of them. And then I'll take shoe goo, and I'll simply, like, literally take the shoe goo, which this is dried up, but I'll take it out, put some on my finger, like large gobs of it, and I'll literally just smear it like that. Like that's even, I'm doing more right there just to show you. I'll smear it right over that drywall tape, and that body right there has like probably 8 weekends on it, and it's like brand new, like no cracks, no nothing. The truggies take a little bit more of a beating, but I do the same thing there. Drywall tape like crazy, and on the truggy I do the holes for the body clips. They're getting a little worn out on here, actually real worn out. I'm about to get a new truggy body at some point, but I'll take that drywall tape and I'll do like multiple layers, 4 or 5 layers of drywall tape over the body hole areas, and then a ton of layers, because the biggest spot on the truggy that takes the most abuse, because you know it's covered, the body covers up the shock tower on the inside. That shock tower bangs into the body right here, and you can see on this old truggy body too, it took a beating in there. You can see they start to bow out. But anyhow, this one had just a little bit of drywall tape just in certain areas, the used one I got, but when I did my own, I did the drywall tape all throughout. And you can see, I mean, this thing has a ton of use on it, and it's still strong as hell. The holes are starting to come out a little bit, but that's all. So anyhow, I just wanted to show you that. And then when I go to wash my bodies after the races, same thing with my tires. So like here's a dirty truggy tire. I will take I love this J Concepts brush, that's just what I like. But I like to use Dawn dish soap. I use Simple Green at the races, but at the house I just use Dawn dish soap on the tires. And you know that Easy Clean tire cleaner, yeah, that thing's okay or whatever, but this is pretty easy. I don't know, I don't really buy into the whole RC tire cleaning rigs. Like, how hard is this? Boom, 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 boom. And then I use that magnetic tape that I have for in here, so I don't have to worry about any of that nasty. The tires are perfectly balanced, but I don't have to worry about any of that nasty clay crap. Then I just take it. I mean, I don't know. To me, that was pretty easy. I don't really need a machine to help me do that. Anyhow, if you like the Easy Clean thing, fine, but I'm just not going to lug any more stuff around to the races than I really actually need. For the body, I'll just, you know, hit it up with that. Hit it up with one of these. If it's really nasty and dirty, take the back side of your Brillo pad and hit the really nasty spots on the outside of the body, and it's going to scuff up and make the Lexan a little more dull where you hit it at. But just take that Maxima SC1, and after you're done cleaning the body off, spray that SC1 on the body. This stuff right here, it'll make her look brand new again. Anyhow, hope y'all enjoyed that video about bodies. Get you some drywall tape at Walmart. Use 1 tube of shoe goo per body, and those suckers will last you forever, and it doesn't hardly add any weight. It like really doesn't, especially on an 8 scale. Like, what's a few extra ounces on an 8 scale? Anyhow, hope y'all enjoyed that video. Please crush that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit me up on Patreon to get your chance to win a brand new EB or NB 48 2.0, I think is what I'm hearing it's going to be called. Anyhow, we're getting the truggy ready for the Southern Nats. Got the buggy torn apart right now. It's over here. There's the buggy right now. Just replacing those diff cross pins. So anyhow, it's in pieces, but yeah, 2 weeks for the Southern Nats. Hope y'all are doing well and have an awesome week here. Tuesday tomorrow. CJ Moto out.